This is the story of how Crystal sold her severely tenant-damaged Johnson City, Tennessee rental as-is without touching a single thing. She walked in, walked right back out, and wasn't going to deal with what those tenants left behind. Favor Home Solutions took it off her hands exactly as it was and handled every bit of the cleanup. Here's how it happened. Crystal had been renting out her Johnson City property for years, managing the ups and downs of being a landlord the way most small investors do, patiently, and with the hope that the next tenancy would be easier than the last. The last one wasn't. When the tenants finally vacated, what Crystal found inside the house stopped her at the door. Animal waste throughout multiple rooms, rotting food left in the kitchen and elsewhere. A pest infestation that had taken hold while the property sat occupied and unmanaged. The smell alone was enough to make the choice for her. This wasn't a matter of patching walls or replacing carpet. It was a property that required professional remediation before a contractor would even consider stepping inside, let alone before any conventional buyer could walk through it. Crystal wasn't in a position to manage that process, financially or emotionally. She just needed out. And the traditional market had no place for a property in that state. A home with contamination won't pass a lender's condition review, so financed buyers were off the table entirely. Professional remediation meant specialized contractors, thousands to tens of thousands of dollars, and weeks of coordination, all while she carried the property. Even most cash buyers shopping the open market would walk the moment they saw it. So Crystal reached out to Favor Home Solutions and was straightforward about the condition, all of it. They buy severely damaged rentals across Johnson City and all of Tennessee, any condition, with all cleanup and remediation handled after closing. As a tired landlord ready to exit, the condition wasn't a disqualifier. Severe tenant damage is something they handle regularly. From there, it was clean even when the property wasn't. First, Favor Home Solutions made a fair cash offer based on the property's current state. Then, Crystal didn't have to clean anything, remove anything, or arrange for a single professional to enter before closing. And finally, she signed. They closed on her schedule, and everything after the remediation, the cleanup, the restoration, became their problem to solve. Here's what Crystal walked away with. The rental sold completely as is, waste, rot, infestation, and all, with nothing for her to clean or remove. The cleanup was included, all the remediation taken on by the buyer after closing. And she got out a clean exit from a property she'd already made peace with leaving. Look at the numbers. $0 spent on remediation or cleanup. 0 professionals she had to let through the door. Favor Home Solutions took the property exactly as it sat and handled the entire cleanup after closing. And the weight of a biohazard property lifted. No specialized contractors to find and vet. No tens of thousands in remediation to fund. No weeks of coordination while she carried the property. No buyer walking the moment they saw it. The thing that had stopped her at the door was simply gone. The result? Crystal signed, walked away with cash, and never had to deal with what those tenants left behind. The transaction was clean and straightforward even when the property wasn't. Maybe Crystal's situation sounds familiar. We help Tennessee landlords in all kinds of circumstances. A rental left in severe condition, waste or infestation you won't clean up, remediation you can't fund, done managing the property, any condition, or simply needing out without touching it. If you're a landlord in Johnson City or anywhere across Tennessee with a property in rough shape, Favor Home Solutions can help. As is cleanup included, no repairs, no agent, a fair cash offer, and a clean exit on your timeline. Reach out today for your free, no-obligation cash offer.